literally giving free tickets away.
There it was.
Oh,
Yes, you're that way, you're that way.
but I'm this way.
Maybe he should have waited until we were done talking. You're so goofy, man. I don't know. That's what happens when you have to deal with your little brother at the office. Yeah. Yeah. In case any of you are wondering, this is the Gabagoo guy from previous videos. Gabagoo just broke free. Anyways, it's been a minute. Middle back, you said, is what's hitting you the most right now? Alright. Alright. Little flexion distraction.
I just started recording. I didn't record for the
That's alright. Stretch it out. Make it taller. Okay. Here we go. It's a very slow moving table.
Beat the White Sox 7-3.
There you go. It's not surprising. The White Sox are terrible right now. Alright.
Literally giving free tickets away.
White Sox are?
Huh?
White Sox are giving free tickets away?
I got a link. I'll send it to you.
Okay. Moment of truth. Right through there. Let's see what we got. Big breath in. All the way out. There it was. Wow. Proud of you. Yeah, when you're ready, on your back. How long has it been? How long has it been?
Not Thanksgiving.
At least a month and no, it was before that. At least a month and a half.
At least.
Maybe
Let's see if
two.
we can get one more.
Oh no! Oh, that was painful. Oh.
It's fun because he's my little brother. I can beat him up. Yeah, I'll take that chair, please.
I'm still videotaping.
You're doing great. You're doing great. All right. One minute.
Where is that from?
I just made it up.
Oh. It's mine.
It's from the brain. Yeah.
Like a mind. He's got the...
You
so smart.
you learn that you try not to ask.
No, that came out wrong.
You learn to try not to get inside his brain. That's for sure.
Oh, I think you just did.
There you go. Let this fall. Drop that left shoulder. That was moving before we did it. There you go, sir. Good work.
Is that it?
That's